Managing baby constipation can be a concern for many parents, but with the right approach, you can help your little one find relief. Here are some essential tips to guide you through this process. First, ensure your baby is getting enough fluids. Hydration is key in preventing and alleviating constipation. For babies under 6 months, breast milk or formula should suffice. If your baby is older, you might consider offering small amounts of water or diluted fruit juice. Next, if your baby has started on solids, pay attention to their diet. Foods rich in fiber, such as pureed prunes, pears, or peas, can help promote regular bowel movements. Avoid constipating foods like bananas and rice cereal until the issue resolves. Gentle tummy massages can also be beneficial. Use your fingertips to make circular motions on your baby's abdomen, which can help stimulate their digestive system. Additionally, try some bicycle leg exercises by gently moving your baby's legs in a cycling motion to encourage bowel activity. If your baby is still struggling, a warm bath can be soothing and may help relax their muscles, making it easier for them to pass stools. Remember, every baby is different, and what works for one may not work for another. If constipation persists, or if your baby seems uncomfortable, consult your pediatrician for further advice. They can provide guidance and determine if any underlying issues need to be addressed. Managing baby constipation requires patience and a bit of trial and error. With these tips, you can help your baby feel more comfortable and maintain a healthy digestive routine. Always trust your instincts and seek professional help when needed.